Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And we have a little bit of news for you guys today. Nothing crazy, nothing too wild other than the fact that Ethereum is out there doing new all-time highs just because it wants to. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's actually down a little bit from its all-time high. So, yeah. Yeah, like what? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Right now, Ethereum's at $2,768. $2,768. Yes, it's looking like we'll probably end up at a $3,000 Ethereum, maybe. While Bitcoin's at 53,000. So that's crazy. That's very interesting. Meanwhile, Dogecoin had climbed back up in the seventh spot. It's at 30 cents, almost 31 cents. It pumped back up after, old Elon Musk said some things about it. Litecoin, $257. It kind of fell further down. But yeah, so lots of stuff going on right now. Uh, Over on Nicehash, they have planned a scheduled maintenance for tomorrow, April 30th. It looks like the API, the website, and the management system will be down from 11 p.m. CET for about 30 minutes, probably longer than 30 minutes. But mining will still be 100% operational and not affected. So you can still keep mining, submitting shares, and if you're on Nicehash, you don't have to do anything different. Um, and in other news, Parallel Miner does have my favorite splitters back in stock. So an example of these are you would plug your server power supply 6-pin in, or if you have a good power supply with extra 6 pins on ATX, you plug your 6-pin in right there, and then you can plug the riser in and two up to two 6+2s or two 6 pins, whatever it is on top. So essentially one cable could run an entire GPU and riser. So yeah, it's like a triple splitter. One in, three out. There you go. That's a good example of it right there. So these bad boys are back in stock. There's 2,335, so a huge restock. They're $4.99, very, very reasonable. I do have an affiliate link down below if you want to check those guys out. And people have been asking about these for a long time. It was a small restock on them. There's only 63 of them in stock. These are the Pico power supplies. This is if you want to try to run a motherboard off of a server power supply. You would plug the 6-pin into your into your server power supply, and then it gives you a 24-pin CPU power and SATA and Molex, so you can run a hard drive or SSD, something like that. Now, is this the cheapest way to do it? No, because these bad boys are $48, and you can go on over here to Amazon, and let's just type in PSU. You could get you an ATX power supply and run a server power supply and an ATX power supply side by side, and you can actually get one of these for probably right at 48 or cheaper. Here's a 500 watt for $49. Um, Here we go. There's an EVGA for 47. Okay, I actually do have one of these. Here's a 500 watt 80 plus bronze for $39.99. Yep, see, you last purchased this on April 15th. And you basically just use the ATX to run your motherboard, and I mean you can even run one or two graphics cards off of it because it has some PCIe power. Nothing wrong with that. Sharing the load. But so yeah, I'll have links for all that down below, and that's it. I mean some people keep asking me about the helium miners, and I have some of them on the way in. It's hard for me to do a review or to talk about something when I don't actually have any real experience with it. There's some big updates talking about they're adding 5G capability. So if I could actually talk to somebody that has one, maybe I could do a video. But until then, I really don't want to speak on them because it's one of those things. It's like, hey, bro, do you recommend this? And I'm just like, I don't know yet. I don't know. You know what I mean? So, other than that, I mean, mining is good. Life is good. We'll see you later on today with the daily hash rates, and hope everybody is doing mighty fine because I am. All right, guys. Later. Naples.